Hey everybody, welcome back to another video with Ellie and Lucas, and today our guest appearance of Gabby. She doesn't like being held too much, so she's getting a little finicky. Today we're going to try to make 5 traditional style German recipes that we found online, and we're going to make them completely from scratch. No cheating is allowed. Ellie's going to make 3 dishes. What are they?
I'm going to make Schnitzel, a German salad because I love the salads here. And I'm going to try making something called Laugenkissen, or they're like flaky, I don't really know how to describe them.
They're like flaky, kind of pretzel tasting biscuits. That's the best way I could describe them. And I am going to make 2 things. I'm going to make pork schnitzel, and I'm also going to make apple strudel. And when I was looking for like these recipes, a lot of the stuff I read online said that apple strudel actually like originated in Austria, but became like very popular in Germany. So I'm going to try out a recipe today. And since I've been getting so into pizza in the last like few months, I feel more confident to even make the dough from scratch. So we're going to try that out and hope that it works out. I'm a sucker for a good apple dessert. And what does Gubby like to eat? Anything.
Even chips?
Especially chips.
We don't feed her chips. Oh!
Ta-da! We're finally done. It only took us like 5 or 6 hours. But we have some homemade Schnitzel, which we've never done before. That was funny. We used our little metal shredder to do it. Schnitzel, I can't believe how like crispy and...
Schnitzel.
Crap. There's so many S's. Me and Ellie were just talking about this.
We have Schnitzel, Spätzle, salad, and bread.
But we also behind us have apple strudel, which I know you can say in the comments, but I know it doesn't look like a strudel. It looks like a hot mess, but it smells really good. I'm still gonna enjoy it. I just need to work on the execution of the strudel, but we'll get there because I love apple desserts. Anyways, we worked hard. We're hungry, a little tired. We're gonna go eat with our kitties.
Perfect time to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already.
And we'll be right back.
Alright, we just had our dinner, and as you can see, we basically licked our plates clean. That was actually probably the first or the best food I've had in like a long time. Like,
yeah,
we don't really cook full meals very often.
Not like that. Not like this. We do cook actually fairly often.
It's like we had a feast or something.
Yeah.
But would you like to tell me what you enjoyed and what you would improve?
Yeah. So this one's hard. I really like the Spätzle that Ellie made, but I also really like the Schnitzel. They're so nice and crispy and like deep brown. And they tasted actually really good. I think this is the second time I've tried making Schnitzel at home, and this time it turned out much, much better because I actually fried it. Something that I definitely wish was better was my poor apple strudel.
It looks so sad.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed the Schnitzel. That was my favorite. I don't know. I never order Schnitzel when I go to the restaurant because it's usually too big for me and I can't eat it all. So I usually order salad, and that's why I picked making salad. But the Schnitzel was to die for. It was like the perfect size for me. I enjoyed it. It was so good. It was like, I'd say it rivaled the restaurant. It was that good.
Oh, she likes my cooking.
What I think could have been better were my biscuits. They're not really biscuits, they're Laugenbrötchen. But some of them, like, if you lift the lid off, like, it separates right away, and that doesn't happen when you go to a bakery, and you can see they're kind of small. But, like, they look really close. Like, the effect is there, they're just kind of small. But, like, they also kind of tasted like those Pillsbury biscuits in the US. So, like, your typical biscuits, so the flavor also wasn't there. So, with that in mind, we are going to head off to do the dishes. You're lucky because you don't have to do the dishes, so you just get to watch us have fun and make a mess, and that was a lot of fun.
Good.
I actually enjoyed it. I like cooking, and please let us know in the comments down below if you'd like us to cook any more German dishes or give us some recipes that we could try.
And make sure to click the like button down below. That really helps us on YouTube in general. It lets YouTube know that you like what we're doing, and hopefully they can then show more people like you our stuff, and they'll like it too. Click the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, we're always looking to expand our big community.
And what's coming up on the 19th?
Oh yeah, and remember our live stream is on June 19th at 9 a.m. American Central Time and 1600 Germany time. So put it on your calendars. Right, just pause. We'll wait. All right, good. So now that you got it written down, we will see you there. Bring some questions. Anything you want to know about us, anything you want to know about the cats. We could try to hold the cats the whole time. They won't like it. They'll run away, but we'll try. If that's what you want to see and you just want to talk to the cats, that's cool. All right, we will see you guys then, and obviously next week too. Bye.
Mark.
Ta-da! Look what we made. Oh, I don't have the mic.
So that was what we did on this holiday.
Oh yeah, today is a holiday. You're shooting this on Thursday. For once, we're shooting something before like Friday or Saturday.
I mean, we did the cat one early. The cradle will rock, on the bell breaks, the cradle will fall, down will come bricks